Hi, so this is an update about the development of the zombie car racing game that I've been working for. And so what's new in here is that, well, first I've put a new car in the game, which is actually much better than what it used to be before. I've done some improvement for the lighting, that the forests look much better, more colorful. You have the trees are much better rendered. You can see better landscapes, so graphic improvement, car improvements, and hopefully I succeed to to actually implement the zombies on the game, and also the spawning system of the zombies, which will spawn the zombies all around the car wherever you go. So let me show you this. We will play inside the editor. So here we go. So we start the car, and so you see the zombies in front of us. And you can just crash them like this, and they will keep reappearing again over again. And then I've also added a boost system to if you want to have the car that go faster. It's especially useful when you're a bit stuck and you want to go faster. So you see that the zombies will keep appearing over again. So that's good for optimization, because you don't have zombies all around the map being everywhere at the same time, but just where you are. So that's much better for the CPU, the processor. And so, well, even if you go inside the forest, you will have zombies, and you yes, it's because I play with just one hand, so yes, the boost is useful to require speed faster. And for now the zombies will not attack you, because I still, for now, it's just the roaming system implemented, so they don't attack you, but in the final game for sure they will. And you will have to save the survivors. You need to rescue the survivors on the forest before the zombie kill them. You need to find them and to rescue them, to bring them back at the survivor camp. And this before a time like 1 minute, and each time you found the new survivor, it adds you additional time. So that's the same thing that what I used to be playing. No, yeah, that's a problem, is when it keeps repairing your car, but I need to make that the car is doesn't make a barrel roll, because that can kill the game. Yes, I also need to implement the damage system. So that's it. So you see the game has some advancement, and you can make some nice cascade with the car. And the forest quite well. Yeah, well, there's still quite a lot of error, but that's no worries. I take care. So technical wise, I can show you how it works under the hood. So for all this system, I tried to avoid using. So here how it looks, if you want really to see the C++ code. So that's the code for the game user setting. What would be interesting would be like boogie pound. This is the header of the boogie. Actually, the boogie means the car, because the vehicle is based on the boogie. So this is some C++ code, which for now I want to work on this, but not right now. Now I try to stick with the system called Blueprint, which is the scriptal visual system. And so almost all of the code game is based on the vehicles. So you see how it works under the hood. So we will open Blueprint. So that's the scripting system. So well, it's not that. So this is basically take care of the zombie spawner, the zombie remover that will remove the zombies behind the car, and the boost system when you press the key. So you can also see basically in the viewport. So how does it work? Is basically you have wait, let me take fast. So what is this? This big red things is what will remove the zombies when the zombie. So this orange thing is the car. So when the zombies goes behind and touch this, they are removed. And they spawn in this white ball in front of the car. So this way it will keep spawning the zombies in front of the car and just in front of it, not where it doesn't need. So that's the actual car. And you see, this is the camera view of the car. And yeah, the spawner, and the zombies will also respawn once it touch the vehicle mesh. It also acts the same way as the volume, which remove the zombies. But except that when the zombies touch the mesh, they will have the physic ragdolls that they will bump on it and they will fall down with blood and this. But if they touch the volume, there is no physic. They are just removed completely and will be replaced in the front of it. So that's just a system that works quite well. And it's not yet perfect. I have to work again, but well, it's quite cool for the time being. And I still need to improve it to be better. And so yeah, so the lifing is a dynamic lifing. I tried to build a static lifing for it, but the static lifing has some issues with the foliage because it takes, like, I tried to let it to build lifing for a full day, and it didn't work. It was like stuck at 10%. So yeah, I decided to use dynamic lighting, so no need to boot life, and it's quite cool. It's and whatever I put, I don't need to reboot life. It's instant, and yeah, that's why I plan to use. And I need to check the performance on the mobiles and tablets. But I think for the mobiles and tablets, I will have to remove a bit of grass and foliage. But still, it's mostly the zombies that must be keep under. That we do not spawn too many zombies, so that's the main thing. But otherwise, so you see the car is working, the spawning system. What I need now to do is to add the survivor camp on the map. So I think, well, you know, to put it in the middle of the map, the survivor camp, and the survivors are dispersed in the forest, and you need to find them and to bring them back in the camp, 4 and 4. Yeah, you see the trees disappear. That's how you optimize the game. So you see the grass will appear first, they will disappear first, and then the trees. And you, yes, so basically everything disappears, just the rock stays. And so that's. But when you see you are from here, it's quite nice. You don't see this, but it's very well optimized. And so yes, so that's it for now. And yeah, I need to work on I'm basically implementing the gameplay system and all these kind of things. But yeah, I hope to finish this quickly and maybe have working beta build to try the game, publish it, these kind of things. And yeah, so that's it for this time. Thanks for watching the video, and see you later for a new update of the game. I let you know of these things. Ciao ciao.